وقال عليه السلام: امشي بدائك ما مشدك.
Imam Ali, as said, walk with your illness as long as it walks with you. In this wisdom, Imam Ali, as draws attention to a medical issue, advising us to live with our illness as long as possible and not rush to treatment. The body's natural defense mechanism can overcome minor illnesses, and this process can even strengthen the body. However, immediate medical intervention can lead to side effects and weaken the body. If the illness worsens, then medical treatment is necessary to prevent further complications. Imam Ali, as also emphasized the importance of maintaining health principles to prevent illness. A key principle is to avoid overeating, as it can harm the body, cause disease, and hinder worship. By controlling one's appetite, a person can avoid many illnesses. Other health principles are also mentioned, but cannot be elaborated here. In summary, Imam Ali's wisdom encourages us to live with our illness, adopt healthy habits, and seek medical treatment when necessary.